So I'm back showing you how to use AI to help you find a job. This is Career Navigator, which is a free tool that I've been working on it, where I use AI to be able to create things like fill out job applications, create resumes, cover letters, using AI to search for jobs that matches your particular experiences and things like that. So I'm going to show you how we're using AI to do job searches. We're using the OpenAI Searches API. This is an API where OpenAI allows you to search the same way you can search using ChatGPT. You can use your API to do the same search as well. And I think Gemini also has a search API as well, where it makes it easy to actually search by location. For example, if I go into the job title and I want to look for a job as a business analyst in Orlando, Florida, I'll click on search for jobs. You'll see that it returns jobs based on the location that I entered. And again, I'm using the OpenAI Searches API. Now, if I click on View Jobs, you'll see that the page for this particular job will open up. If it's a private site where you have to log in, the job may not display. You probably see something like a pop-up that shows up here. This is a plugin that I'm working on to automatically fill out the job application. I'll have more videos in the future to show you how this plugin works. It's still in development, but going back to the page, now I can actually go in here and actually save this job. Now, if I go into my save jobs, you'll see it right here. And I can go back in the future and create a resume and a cover letter for this job as well. I hope you can see how you can use AI to do a lot of different things, especially get this job in this very competitive job market and just automate that process. If you want to try out this tool, just let me know. And until next time.